What's going on, everybody? Titus Jones here, aka the Boat Goat, coming back at you with another video about how to. And today we're going to talk about how to flush a Mercury outboard engine. All right, first of all, if somebody sold you a boat and did not teach you this, do not buy your next boat from them. As a matter of fact, buy your next boat from me. First thing you want to do is tilt the engine down for best results. Tilt it down by using this tilt right here. And in front of the tilt, you have your flush plug. You just want to twist this a quarter of the way and then pull it out. All right. Once you pull it out, you want to unscrew this cap and then hook up your water hose. You're going to screw the water hose on, and then you're going to do what next? You're going to cut the water on, right? So then you screw that on, cut the water on, let it pee for about 5 minutes. All right. That should be enough time to get all the salt and everything out of there. So after you do that, you want to unsecure the hose again, put this cap back on and screw it tight back inside of the engine and tilt it back up. Sometimes these are a little harder to screw out when it's a brand new engine, but I found that if you get a washcloth and some pliers and kind of like shimmy it out a little bit, it comes out and they loosen up with every time you turn it. All right, that's all for today, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and we'll catch you next time.